now the car. And we've been very clever here because we're going to use one of these. It's an Austin Allegro, a car that was famous for being more aerodynamic going backwards than it is going forwards. And in this respect, the Allegro is absolutely unique, apart from one or two other cars of a roughly similar shape. Now, the science behind this jump is, quite frankly, almost nil. Nevertheless, our man, ever the pro, makes a few final checks. The car is ready. Our man is ready. If you've just turned on, you may be thinking, oh no, he's facing the wrong direction. But he isn't. He is about to enter the history books in reverse. He's off. Apologies for the length of the run-up, but it's necessary for the Allegro to achieve its top backwards speed of 40 miles an hour. And Top Gear stuntman would dearly love to achieve that right now. That was a little bit too short. But to be sure, let's see it again from several angles. Yep, definitely short.
Well done, Top Gear stuntman. Yeah, he may have been short, but did he break the world record?
No, because it turns out there wasn't one.
What, for jumping in reverse?
Yep.
Well, that's brilliant. It means that despite the dismal failure, Top Gear stuntman, on his very first outing, has set a world record.
Yeah. Well, we hope he'll be setting a lot more over the coming years.
Yeah, or maybe he'll be killed. Either way, it's time now to move on and put some stars in our reasonably priced car. My guests tonight, well,